little better now. Today, I'm going to be scratching some super painted popcorn off of my bathroom ceiling. Alright, what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to take my scraper here and just kind of rough up the roof, shave off some of those bumps up there, and give something for the vinegar and water to soak into there. Doesn't quite want to soak into the paint very good. Alright, now we got her scraped. I'm gonna get my hot water and vinegar here, a little spray bottle. I'm gonna spray the roof and let it set for about 15 minutes. It's about half and half super hot water and white distilled vinegar. Gonna want to wet it pretty good because that drywall will suck the moisture right up. If I had a pump sprayer, it would definitely be a lot easier, but I didn't have one at Walmart when I went last night. Alright, now I'm just going to let that soak for a second, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I let that soak for just a little bit. Let's see if it's a little easier now. Oh yeah. Guys, this is painted popcorn. Would not have come off with just water. I was even considering sanding all this off. Not now. Saved me a whole bunch of time. Bam. I'd say she works.